So you want to start using TubeBuddy and you're confused on which license to choose from? I'm here to help. Coming up. So hello there, my name is Nick Nyxson, and on this channel I help creators like you to create an amazing content and monetize it. So if you're new here, drop that subscribe button and don't forget to click this notification bell, because a lot of great videos are coming up that you don't want to miss. So in previous video I talked about TubeBuddy's Legend subscription, which is this service's most expensive subscription, but I kind of skimmed over more cheaper subscriptions. So in this video I'm going to help you to choose whichever subscription is the best suited for you. Again, if you want to know more about the Legend subscription, you can watch the video. I'll have a link in the description down below or in a card right above, so you can check it out and watch it yourself. But I'm going to talk about other subscriptions as well in order to help you to choose the best one for you. So to recap about what TubeBuddy is, if you don't know what TubeBuddy is, but probably do, but let me just recap. TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension that greatly extends the capabilities of YouTube, meaning that it has a bunch of analytics options, a bunch of different tools that helps you as a creator or as a viewer for that matter. So there are 4 subscriptions for TubeBuddy, which is called Free. Well, of course it's free, Pro, Star, and the Legend. So in this video we're going to talk about which one is for which type of YouTuber or the viewer, and we're going to go through them one by one. So let's just start with it. And if you want to install TubeBuddy for yourself, I will include link in the description down below, so you can just go and start using it for absolutely free with no string attached right now. So let's start with the TubeBuddy's free license, what it does and who is it for. So from its name you can understand that it is absolutely free license. You don't have to pay anything and it is free forever with all the updates that is coming up to this license. And it is made mainly for people who want to taste what TubeBuddy does. It has the majority of the functions that TubeBuddy Pro has, which we're going to talk about a bit later, but at a stripped down versions, meaning that it has keyword research, the suggested keywords, etc., but it is giving only the limited amount of keywords for your videos. But who is the free license is for actually? First and foremost, this is as kind of a demo version for the creators in order to find out what TubeBuddy is and give it a taste of what it's capable of on the higher tiers. But in my opinion, it's not only made for the creators, because the regular viewers will find it very, very useful as well. And it is mainly because of the channelytics function that is added to your YouTube page when you install a TubeBuddy. So meaning that when you go to the different videos on, you will see the sidebar with the detailed analytics of this video and entire channel, so you know exactly whom you're watching and what kind of views they get, what kind of comments they get, what kind of likes they get. So if you're a number freak who wants to know everything about the videos, who want to know everything about analytics and stuff, you would just love it. And again, you can install it from the link down below. As for the creators, it gives you mainly the taste of the pro option that will be available for you. So if you don't know what TubeBuddy does, if you don't know, if you're just a beginner creator, if you don't know what you need to do, if you don't know a lot about tags, if you don't know about keyword optimization, if you don't know about descriptions, if you don't know about card optimizations, I highly suggest for that people to start using TubeBuddy free, because it will help you to learn a bunch of different things that will be very useful in the long run. So again, who is TubeBuddy free for? Again, for the viewers who are number freaks and want to know more about the analytics of their favorite videos on the favorite channels, and for the beginner creators who want to taste what TubeBuddy does and to want to learn more about YouTube's video creation process and workflow. Plus, because it's free, you really have nothing to lose. All you need to do is just install it and you are ready to go. Now let's talk about TubeBuddy Pro, which is the first paid subscription for the TubeBuddy. Usually it costs $9 per month, but for every single channel that has 1,000 subscribers or less, it costs $4.50 per month, which is a steal if you know what I'm talking about. You can just go and use all the functions that is for TubeBuddy Pro for just $4.50, and you have, if you're subscribing for a year, you're getting this for $3, like around $3 for a month. So it's incredibly powerful value. So what it does, so TubeBuddy Pro has all the functions of TubeBuddy free but jumped to the max, meaning that, for example, if you have a keyword research tool, you are not restricted with any amount of keywords that you can research in the TubeBuddy tools, meaning that you have restricted that you can have like 3 suggested keywords, for example, for any keyword that you search. For TubeBuddy free, for TubeBuddy Pro, you have unlimited with whatever number there is. in it, this is gonna show you exactly what it found out. It can give you unlimited upload defaults. It can give you unlimited video topics for the future, etc., etc. It is a very, very powerful tool. Mainly the TubeBuddy Pro is jacked up TubeBuddy free. Of course, it has some additional functions, but mainly this is a jacked up TubeBuddy free version. But the thing that will make you buy TubeBuddy Pro subscription, even for the maybe month or even something like that, as little time as possible or as many months as possible, is additional perks that you can get with any paid TubeBuddy subscription. With TubeBuddy Pro and higher tiers, you are getting access to TubeBuddy Mobile as well, which usually costs $3 per month. So if you have TubeBuddy Pro, you are getting this for absolutely for free, and having an ability to access TubeBuddy functionality through your mobile app. It's a very powerful thing, and it's a very great thing to have. But the most powerful thing, the most expensive thing that will cost you quite a lot without it, is access to Audio Hero. If you don't know what Audio Hero is the royalty-free music and sound effects website. So you are getting free access to this website on whatever time you're subscribed to TubeBuddy, meaning that you have a bunch of royalty music and sound effects. I think these are 250,000 royalty music and sound effects for free with the TubeBuddy Pro subscription for just $4 that you're paying there. It is extremely powerful value that you are gaining. Plus, you can get an access to Juke Deck, which is computer-generated music. It's a separate. You're gonna get access to bunch of YouTube like assets, like end screens, like banners, like logo templates, etc., etc. You're getting a lot of additional perks that is extremely valuable for any YouTuber, small or big. So let's recap. Who is TubeBuddy Pro for? So TubeBuddy Pro is for everyone who has basically less than 1,000 subscribers. Because if you have more than 1,000 subscribers and probably have more than around 30 videos, I would say like 30 is like a very arbitrary number, but it's a lot of it's a synonym to a lot of videos in this case. If you have less than 30 videos and less than 1,000 subscribers, TubeBuddy Pro is for you. If you don't have more than 30 videos and more than 1,000 subscribers, you're going to need some tools that is available for higher licenses, and that's why we're going to talk about this right now. So now let's switch to TubeBuddy Star. TubeBuddy Star has all the abilities with YouTube that TubeBuddy Pro is, including the perks, but it has a very important distinction. It has quite a few different tools that can be very useful, but the most important tools that TubeBuddy Star has is its ability to bulk process different things. Meaning you can bulk edit or bulk add or bulk delete cards, like meaning that you can add, modify or delete cards on all of your videos at the same time, on some of the videos at the same time. You can do the same with the end screens. You can change the descriptions of all of the videos at the same time, meaning that you can add some things, delete some things, all at the same time with a few clicks, which is very powerful, especially if you have a larger channel and you have a lot of videos. For example, I have a gaming channel which I upload every single day, and it has few hundred videos already. And if I want to add something, let's say if I want to add a sponsor link or something, an affiliate link or something on the top or on the bottom, I should do this all one by one. Instead of this, I can use TubeBuddy Star license to add in the beginning or the middle or in the end a special link all at once, and it will process all the videos one by one and add this link onto all of the videos, which is extremely powerful thing, guys. It is unbelievable how powerful this thing is and how useful this thing is for TubeBuddy Star and for any YouTuber. But who is this for? Should I buy a TubeBuddy Star? It costs $19 per month, and there are not a lot of incentives to decrease its monthly price, unless you're paying it yearly. So do I need this? Well, if you have more than 1,000 subscribers and if you have more than 30 videos that requires a constant tweaking and changing, then yes, you might use a TubeBuddy Star license. Plus, there's one thing: if you have a Facebook page that you upload your videos separately, like natively, this would help you a lot, because TubeBuddy Star has ability to upload your YouTube videos to Facebook natively. So if you're using this, TubeBuddy Star is additional value for you. If you're not doing a bunch of bulk processing, if you're not doing a bulk changing and something like that, then you'll still be pretty great with TubeBuddy Pro, even with a higher amount of subscribers. As for TubeBuddy Legend, I'm not going to talk about TubeBuddy Legend because I talked about it in a completely separate video. You can check again it in a link down below or in a card above somewhere. So I hope this video was helpful, because I get a lot of questions, people asking whether TubeBuddy is worth it and which one should I use and how I should should license, which one should I pay for, something like that. Overall, for the majority of you, for the absolute majority of you, I would say try TubeBuddy free, start using TubeBuddy free and see how it works, whether you like it or not, whether you require additional functionality or not. Then go for TubeBuddy Pro and see if you like the additional functionality, and if you want something more, let's see if you think that you will need bulk processing stuff or maybe Facebook uploading stuff in the future. If you think that you would need that above all the functions that TubeBuddy Pro is providing, then absolutely go with TubeBuddy Start. As for TubeBuddy Legend, yeah, watch the other video that I talked about. So this was it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you like to subscribe if you want more videos like this one or about YouTube, TubeBuddy, course creation, etc., etc. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.